How to install a primer bulb in a Eager Beaver 2014 chainsaw. The McCulloch Eager Beaver 2014 chainsaw comes equipped with a rubber primer bulb. This bulb, when depressed, helps draw fuel from the tank into the carburetor when the engine is cold. The rubber on this bulb can deteriorate with age until small holes break the seal. The seal needs to be airtight for the suction to work properly. If you notice no gas filling the bulb when you depress it multiple times, you will need to replace the bulb. Things you'll need: screwdriver, needle-nosed pliers. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the starter recoil assembly to the engine. Drive the tip of the screwdriver under the edges of the cover and wedge it off. Unscrew the 2 screws holding the front handle, which will be located on both sides of the engine. Take the handle off. Locate and unscrew each of the 7 screws holding the side cover over the cooling system. Drive the tip of the screwdriver into the rear handle to separate the 2 halves of the plastic covering over the engine. Take the half off the cooling side of the chainsaw. Pry loose the rubber bulb from the end of the fuel line using the needle-nosed pliers. Connect the new primer bulb to the end of the fuel line. Push and turn the bulb to ensure it is secured to the line. Depress the bulb several times to make sure it works properly. If it doesn't fill with gas, you will also need to replace your return fuel line. Fit the cooling half of the engine to the other side. Squeeze the halves tight while screwing the 7 screws, which hold the halves together. Set the front handle into its seating. Tighten both of its screws. Set the starter recoil assembly onto its seating. Tighten the 4 screws to secure it.